press Ctrl N to start a new project, and these are the widths. This is width of 1080 and height 1350. This is for social media, so it's for Instagram and Facebook and whatever. And I'll leave I'll make sure this is RGB because it's going to be on social media and digital devices rather than print. And I press OK. So I want to make the background white. So my foreground color is already darkish. I want to make the background dark, and my foreground color is already dark. And so I'm going to make it a little bit more gray. And OK. And I'll hold Control alternate backspace to make the foreground color my background color overhead layer. So let us start by importing the image. Now I've already selected the background, fine, and I'll drag it over here, and I'll Ctrl H to adjust it, transform it. So now there are some imperfections in this area, and I'm going to fix that right away by selecting the brush tool, adjusting, pressing the open bracket to reduce it and the close bracket to increase. So I'm going to lay out the mask and then come over here, and of course that's too big. This doesn't have to be perfect, but you get what I'm saying. So etching tiny details, and so now I'm done with that, and I need to add some effects to the image, which is I'll create on this adjustment layer, and I'll create brightness and contrast. Then I reduce the contrast a little bit and the brightness a little bit, right? And I press here to click it to that. Then I add a texture to the whole image, and I'm going to drag my texture from here adjust it so it covers the whole image. And blend mode. So I'm going to choose blend mode that's overlay. So I select overlay and go back to the image and make it black and white. You can reduce the opacity here, make the image black and white by coming over here, black and white, and reducing this. So you first so I'll drag this text over here and bring the top here. So now adjust it to fit in. So it's covering the whole top layer, and rather than me dragging this image to top here, I'm going to select this one, Ctrl T, Ctrl T, Ctrl T, Ctrl T on this because I don't want this. So I'm going to put this to, let's say, model, right? And I'm going to drag the model over to the top, right, of this. And of course, this is also the top of the model. I'm going to lock this, but before I lock it, I can still reduce the opacity a bit. So I lock it so I won't be able to be moving it about. So my problem now is that the model is obstructing the image, that you don't even know what is written there. So I'm going to move it a bit down so that you could get at least know what the writing is. And I see that the image is being dragged up down to the bottom side a bit. So I'm going to reduce this so this is like this, and lock it. So this is not how it will be like. So I'm going to click on this place. I'm going to lock these two layers or close it or make them invincible for now. And I'm going to import one last thing. Let's say image of cloud. I'm going to a sky rather. So drag it over here. Right. And while holding Alt, come between these two distance, between two layers, and click on it so it flips layer max. And when you have this, so I want to convert all of this to smart objects, and we're still going to add this noise to them. So 3. So double click on it on the layer pre, the text layer, and click on outer glow. So I want a little glow on it, a little glow, and it should not be this color to make it a little bit white. And you can reduce the size and the spread and size to make it a little bit. It's not going to be. It's going to be barely noticeable. Increase the spread. So now I start adding the text.